Chrissy Moreno, a state park interpreter for California State Parks. Coming up on September 7th, it's California Biodiversity Day, and I'm here to tell you how to join the fun and be a citizen scientist as we document as many organisms across California as we can to celebrate our biodiversity. What is biodiversity? Well, bio means life, and diversity means variety or a range of different things. So biodiversity means a variety of life at all scales. From microscopic organisms to the largest mammals on Earth, they create ecosystems and are all connected and play a role to create a healthy planet for us to live on. Unfortunately, over the last century, humans have come to dominate the planet, causing rapid ecosystem changes and massive loss of biodiversity across the planet. By understanding biodiversity, we can help change our actions and help conserve our ecosystems. You can take part next week from the comfort of your own home, backyard, neighborhood, or anywhere in California through citizen science. So what is Biodiversity Day? Well, it is a day to celebrate the rich species diversity and habitat we have here in California. California is a biodiversity hotspot. We have thousands of plant, invertebrate, and insects that are only found here in California. There are several reasons for our biodiversity, including the sheer size of our state, our unique Mediterranean climate, and the complex geography. I mean, we are the only state that has such diversity and elevation. From Mount Whitney, over 14,000 feet, to Death Valley, which is below sea level, 200 feet below sea level.
California's geography and geology contributes to the different soil types needed for so many endemic plant species to grow here.
That kind of terrain creates so many different ecosystems, and some species have to be pretty adaptable. On Biodiversity Day, citizen scientists all across California document as many organisms across the state as we can. Keeping safety in mind, this year the event is from September 5th through September 13th, and it's being done through the iNaturalist app. If you have never used this app before, I will walk you through how to use iNaturalist.
First, you'll need to download the app iNaturalist from the App Store. Then when you click on the app, you'll need to create an account and log in, and this is where all of your observations will be kept. You can find your location and then go to projects and tap on the search button, and you can search for California Biodiversity Day 2020 and find the one that has a picture of the owl on it. That is the official one for this year. Then you will tap join, and then you will be able to make your observations and upload them to that project. So you can go back to the Observe tab, and then I am by a bladder pod bush, so I'm going to take a picture of the bladder pod with the flowers and the leaves and try to tap on the picture to get it into focus. Then I will hit save, and then tap on the species to find what it is. I already know that this is bladderpod, but you could always just put in the species name and a researcher will help you ID it. Then you'll hit your location and go down to projects, and you can tap on California Biodiversity Day 2020. It's not open yet, but you'll be able to do that once it is open on September 5th. And then that will upload it to the project.
I also saw that there was a harlequin bug on this plant, so I'm going to take a picture of that. Be sure to check any plants you look at for any other species that may be living on them or pollinating them. So once I took a photo there, I'm going to upload my location and hit the project name and then tap on which species I think it is. If I'm not sure, then I'll just hit the scientific name, tap that, and any researchers that are following this project can help you ID any species that you don't know what they are. That's what's really cool about this app. It also helps you learn about different species that are in your area. Any observation made anywhere in the state using iNaturalist between September 5th and September 13th counts. You can do this from a park, beach, or trail, as long as you're observing local and state health guidelines, like physically distancing yourself from others that are not in your household, or wearing a mask when that is not possible. Or you can do this from your backyard or neighborhood. The key is to document as many species as you can find. Have fun, and I hope you enjoy participating in Biodiversity Day. Thank you, citizen scientists.